Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is a hard to find piece and I am so thankful that I found it. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So I was in Vegas last weekend and I was on a mission to find this bag. I knew that out of the like 4+ stores that they have there, one was bound to have it. So I had been checking online for this bag. I had been going into the store over by where I live, and I had been texting my SA to see if he could find this bag for me, and I was having no luck. So while I was waiting in line, one of the SAs came up to me with her iPad and she was searching bags for everyone, and I asked her if she could search this one. It took a very long time to load, which was very like nerve-wracking. And when it finally did, it said that there was only one in America, and it was in that Bellagio store. So I was like, this is meant to be. I need this bag. I am going right in and buying it. So when it was my turn to go into the store, the other sales associate, he brought it to me. I tried it on and I was like, I'm sold. So I got very lucky there because that was my first stop and I didn't have to go all over, but I found the bag, so I'm very excited. So let's take it out. My bag looks a little crushed because I did have to take this on the airplane. I have the receipt right here, and the sales associate, he gave me his card, which I highly recommend him. His name is Kyle. Pull the ribbon. This was so hard to not take this out of the box and wear it, but I'm like, I have to show you guys first. So here it is in its dust bag. I am so excited that I have this bag. I've wanted this for so long. One of my friends has this bag, and once I saw her with it, I was like, oh, I need that. I love that bag. I wasn't crazy about the original one, but this one I just love. Let's reveal this bag. This is the Pochette Matisse in the reverse monogram. I am obsessed, and I'm so excited to rock this in the fall and winter months. Oops, here is the SKU card. And then on the inside, he just put the strap, and this is the item number. Yeah, this purse is gorgeous. Like, I am so obsessed. There's the textile card as well. But yeah, I just am obsessed with this purse. There's a lot of things in here. I love the strap, and I love that this top handle is black, so I don't have to worry about it patinaing or anything like that. And this is a very nice pocket back here. And I never thought that I would be a Pochette Matisse girl, but this one just completely changed my mind about this bag. I just am obsessed with it. And I like how you get the removable adjustable strap. That makes everything better because I think I will wear it crossbody, top handle, whatever, shoulder bag. I put my full-size zippy wallet in here because sometimes you just need your full-size wallet with all of your stuff. So I was very happy that this bag could fit that wallet. So that makes me very happy, and eventually I will do a what's in my bag to show you guys after I start wearing this bag. And that is it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!